Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use widgets, and they're pretty simple and pretty neat. Widgets are installed in your sidebar, which if you look at the site, this right over here is your sidebar. Okay, so some things are installed by default, but we'll go take a look at those widgets right now. So let's go here to Appearance, click on Widgets. See all these widget areas. The primary widget area is Search, Recent Posts. Here's your search, recent posts, etc. So you can take these out, you can put other ones in. So let's show you search. We can delete it. So it's gone. If we go back and refresh the page, this box should be gone. See how that worked? All right. Now if you want to add a widget, like let's for example, we want to add some text. Grab the text, drag and drop it to wherever you want to put it. We'll put it at the top so it's easier to see. And then you can say text, some sample text. And then we'll go back and look. And there's our sample text. Now if you want to be really creative, you can do something like this. You could put a hyperlink in there. Like so. Back over here, reload the page, and you'll see that Google's there, right? All right, clicked on the link, took us to Google. All right, another thing you could do here is you could actually put images in here with some other hyperlinks or hypertext, some other HTML. You can put any HTML in this box and it'll work. You can put JavaScript in this box and it'll work. If you want to minimize this view, you just select Close. You're all set. If you want to add something to a different widget area, you can put it here. It's all very simple. Now, this theme only has one sidebar. It's right here. See how this is talking about different footer and widget areas and whatnot? This theme only has one thing here. All right. So that's it on widgets. Very simple, very straightforward.